Meet the wafer check valve. Its incredibly compact, lightweight design allows it to fit almost anywhere. Installation is as simple as securing it between two flanges. Their streamlined construction reduces pressure loss, while the fast-closing disc prevents backflow and minimizes water hammer. Cost-effective and durable, they're the ideal choice for space-saving, reliable flow control in water systems, HVAC, marine, and industrial applications.
For over a decade, iFlow has supplied valves to clients across 40-plus countries, delivering trusted solutions for industries worldwide. From quality testing to global support, we're here to power your projects with confidence.
We have supplied to international clients more than 90 countries worldwide.
United Kingdom, UAE, Australia, Brazil, Mexico, and widely used in projects such as Milan Expo, Fiat Workshop, Shangri-La Hotel, Kerry Center, Petrobras, GE Workshop. Service, quality is our core competitiveness. To create value to customers is our greatest wealth. What can we do for you? How can we do better? We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.
If you are interested in our valves, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.